The Lord my shepherd. The Lord is my shepherd. I am not abandoned. I am not forgotten. I am not without care. He leads me where my soul can breathe. He restores what stress has drained. He quiets what fear has stirred. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Book of Psalms 23:1. Even when life feels uncertain, even when the road is unclear, even when shadows surround me, I will not live in fear, because I am not walking alone. Even though I walk through the valley, I will fear no evil. Psalm 23:4. His presence steadies me. His guidance corrects me. His protection surrounds me. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Psalm 46:1. When my mind is restless, He becomes my peace. When my heart is heavy, He becomes my comfort. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. Gospel of John 14:27. When I feel weak, I am sustained. When I feel empty, I am filled. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Psalm 27:1. Surely goodness follows me. Mercy walks beside me. Hope stands ahead of me. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Psalm 23:6. And no matter the season, no matter the valley, no matter the storm, I remain under His care. Cast all your anxiety on Him, because He cares for you. First Epistle of Peter 5:7. The Lord is my shepherd, today, tonight, always.